Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Good evening and welcome to my channel Isabel Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious stir fry bean sprouts with shrimps. So let's start cooking. Preheat the frying pan over medium-high heat. Then drizzle at 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Yes. Then add the garlic. It's about a tablespoon. Chop finely. Then we're gonna add in our shrimps. Cayenne powder, optional. Yes guys, remove the shrimps to a warm platter. Kasi di natin siya pwedeng i-overcook. Then we're gonna add in our mung sprout. Yes, we're gonna add in a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, then may mix lang natin siya. Yes, return the shrimps to the pan. Sprinkle with the green onion. Slice red chilli, optional. So guys, it's almost done and ready to serve. So here you go, ready to serve. Look at this. So yummy. Oh my goodness. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And thanks to my subscriber and new subscribers, silent viewers, and regular supporters. I really appreciate. Thank you and love you all. Guys, subscribe to my channel to fill up on the latest most eat recipe.